Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you see I have my nail station set up today. I've been doing my nails for myself for maybe like a year now. This video is for girls that want to learn how to do their own really simple, easy gel mani. And this is for the girls that want to save some extra money. If you don't mind doing your own manis, pretty much like I know we go to the nail salon to like digress and like but if you're just going through a tough time, or you're just in a space where you just want to learn something new, or you just want to keep all your dollars because you're saving up for something, this is a really good way to save money and also just express your creative self. So you can get all of this stuff on Amazon. I feel like everybody promotes Amazon, but it really is the easiest thing. So yeah, that's where I got all this stuff from, Amazon. So what makes a gel manicure a gel manicure pretty much is just the polish. You have to have like all of the gel polishes, which is a gel top coat, a gel base coat, and then the gel polishes. They come in every color you can think of. And then once you have the gel polish, you simply just need the UV light. So this is the UV light, and it comes with different times, 30, 60, and 90 seconds. Just depending on how many coats you're doing is the time you would sit under the UV light. Yeah, that's really simply what makes it a gel manicure. It's the polish and then the UV light. Any manicure, you know, you always have to have your cuticle remover. This is what you're going to use to push your cuticles back. And the nail clipper. This is my fries before guys bag. I keep all of the little things that I might need in here, like other polishes that I might consider using. Some dip. We can do dip nails next time. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have some paper towels, which I do here. And so you would just soak both of them for 5 minutes. After you soak it and you start to do the cuticles, whatever you do to one hand, make sure you do it to the other hand at the same time, because if your cuticles get dry, you won't be able to move them. Okay, so I'm going to soak my hands for the 5 minutes, and from there, it'll be quick. Let's get started. Cleaned off my cuticles. That was the first step. After we clean our cuticles, I'm going to go ahead and clip my nails if I want to clip them. Me personally, I don't want to clip my nails, cuticles. I'm going to skip this step and go straight to the next step, which is filing your nails. Okay, so you bust your nails with the hard side, and then buff your nails now that you've bust your nails with the hard side. Today I love this. It dries really quickly, and then you're gonna go ahead and set it under your UV light after you paint for 30 seconds each hand. So what you're gonna do is polish under the UV light, and then polish, and then under the UV light. Don't polish both hands and then put them both under the light, because the gel will start sliding and it won't set exactly how you polished it. Alright? You're finished with your base color here. essentially you're just going to choose whatever color you like to paint your nails. I'm going to choose 2 different shades of pink and just do something fun with that. So I'll show you. This is the first pink we're going to use, and this one. Alright, so choose whatever polish you like, whatever color. Just make sure that it's gel. You cannot use regular polish and think you're going to get the same outcome. So. You can feel when it's dry. You definitely have to do a second coat, of course, but this is what it looks like at first. Don't be afraid. Keep going. At the bottom, like I said. So you lay it there first, so you make sure you have it smooth, and then you just bring it up. Nice, smooth strokes. The second coat, usually you want to be like more accurate and cleaner. Again, you're not a professional, don't beat yourself up. But yeah, the second time, the second coat, or the third, whatever amount you decide, at that point, you know, you want to make sure you're really precise. But this is just your base coat to make sure the color is really bright. So it's okay if you mess up or if it's not even, or going under the UV light if it's already dry. Nothing will happen. And here we are, lastly. So bring it right there, a little over here. And turn it up. Alright, and then so now we've completed 2 coats. This is what it looks like after 2 coats. The light ones, like I said, you usually have to go over the 3rd time. So I'm going to go over these once more, but these I won't because we're going to use our glitter pods after. Here's the brush that you need, and then it looks like this, okay? And then gold. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to figure that out in just a second. So simply swirl it around a little bit, brush, and then you just tap it over your nail. It's quite easy to do. It's my favorite thing. I love glitter. It's so bomb. But this, you don't want to like have so much, so be careful. And just move a little bit around because it goes a long way, just like any other glitter. And voila! We're just going to do it over the light colors for now. And you just want to tap it and move it around. Okay, so that's what these look like. We're gonna pop it in our UV light and go from there. There we are. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with Manis with Mani. So see, it's very simple to do a gel mani at home. Very, very simple. As you guys, I could, you know, bring this video to you all and just show you something that I do and that I know could be beneficial to you all. Yeah. Simple manis, takes 20 minutes. It's so cute. Get creative, do your thing.